Theory of errors. The foundation of all experimental science and technology is measurement. The result obtained from any measurement will contain some uncertainty. Such uncertainty is termed as what? Error. Okay. So today all researchers and technology is based on what? Measurement. When we measure, we'll have some uncertainty in measurement. That uncertainty we call it as what? Error. Okay. Any calculation made using the measured values will also have an error. Sometimes when we do the calculations also we'll have what? Error. It is not possible to make exact measurements in an experiment. Okay. So in measurements, two different terms are involved. One is accuracy and another one is precision. What is accuracy? Accuracy refers to how far we are from the true value. And precision refers to how well we measure. So we have to consider an example here. Now we are measuring the temperature of the refrigerator using a thermometer, and we are repeating it many times, and we are finding the values as 10.4 degree, 10.2 degree, 10.3 degree, 10.1 degree, 10.2, 10.1, 10.1, 10.1. This is the repeated reading we have taken using the thermometer. But the real temperature inside the refrigerator is 9 degree. So that is the true value. Okay. When we compare the true value with that of the values taken, okay, you can say the thermometer is not accurate because it is not giving the accurate value. It is the true value. It is not giving the true value. It is giving another value. Okay. So we are referring to how far we are from the true value. How far? It is almost a degree. Here it is 9 degree. There it is almost 1 degree greater. So 10 degree. But when you look into all the values taken, all are what? Close to that of 10 degree. So we can say it is precise. It is what? Precise, because we have a consistent value. We have a what? Consistent value. Okay, so this is the difference between what? Accuracy and precision. Okay, now here precision means it's a description of how close measurements are to each other. You can see here the measurements are very close to each other here. Okay, accuracy is comparing your measurement to actual or accepted value. Okay, now here another example. Accuracy of measurement, it refers to closeness of measurement to the true value of physical quantity. Here you can take a measurement of mass. So the true value of mass is 25.67 kg. Mass measured by a student A is 25.61 kg. Mass measured by a student B is 25.65 kg. Okay. Now, which is so closer? Now, to the true value. Okay. The mass measured by the student B is so closer to that of the true value. So we can say that is more accurate. That is more accurate. Now, for precision, here there is another example. It refers to the limit to which a physical quantity is measured. So the time measured by A is what? 3.6 second. By student B is 3.69 and by student C is 3.695. Who measured it precisely? Here it is approximated to only one value. Here it is approximated to two values. Here it is approximated to three values after the decimal. Okay. So the student C is what? Measuring it most precisely. Okay. Now here is another experiment. Here this example represents the target shooting. Okay. So here the first diagram says the shots are very closer and also at the center point. So we can say the shots are both precise and accurate. The shots are what? Both precise and accurate. In the second diagram, we can say the shots are focused so as to reach the bully's eye, but the arrows have reached only around this point. So the shots are not accurate and not precise. In the third diagram, you can say all the shots are close to each other, but not at the central point. So we can say the shots are said to be precise, but not accurate. So this is the example which is representing what? Accuracy versus precision. I hope you people would have understood what is accuracy and what is precision.